The military advancements made by our world today has leaped undeniably enormous in its own way. It now uses futuristic technologies that we never thought of possibly getting made. The advancements made were notable and looked quite more convenient than how military technologies were before. Today, we will dig deeper and unfold these amazing technological advancements made in the military industry. The helicopter you see on your screen is the Sikorsky Raider X. This new face of the helicopter helps us envision what these flying vehicles might look like in the future. The most highly advanced helicopters in the coming years will resemble this. American company Sikorsky Raider X idea was created exclusively for the U.S. Army's Future Assault Reconnaissance Aviation Program, which began in 2018. In addition to the two coaxial rotors, a distinctive feature strikes the attention right away. A pusher propeller is mounted on the helicopter's back. Right behind the other are the pilot's seats. The hull can be smaller with this design, which improves the helicopter's aerodynamics. This aircraft can attain a maximum speed of 463 kilometers thanks to this and the powerful GET-901 engine. This, combined with the helicopter's powerful GET-901 engine, allows it to attain a max speed of 463 kilometers per hour while remaining agile and responsive to the pilot's directions. The Raider X hovers at a low speed before braking and speeding up. Next is the SIG MCX Virtus. This weapon was created primarily for the demands of security personnel. It has a detachable design that allows it to be customized for certain tasks. According to the manufacturer, there are over 500 desirable modifications. The rifle stock is foldable and adjustable, allowing it to be used by any operator. The two-stage trigger and heavy barrel improve accuracy. Furthermore, the MCX Virtus by SIG provides exceptional dependability and wear resistance. The developers promised that no parts would need to be replaced after 20,000 shots. Several testing and experiments have demonstrated the weapon can resist even the harshest conditions. It's been submerged in dirt, water, sand, and even frozen, and it still works perfectly. Next on the list is a DRONEGUN Tactical. When you first see this incredible weapon, you might assume it launches strange projectiles like square-shaped bullets. The DRONEGUN Tactical, on the other hand, is a mitigating drone device rather than a projectile weapon. Its major feature is that it nullifies drones in a controlled and safe manner. It generates a strong signal that disables the drone's antenna. When the signal is received, the drone enters its safe status. The video capturing stops, and the drone immediately lands or flies back to its controller and assists in tracking its location. The DRONEGUN Tactical has a range of 2 kilometers, which is astounding. The concept is compact and takes only a few seconds to set up. Next, we have the POLARIS DAGOR. POLARIS is well known for its ATVs, but it also makes high-quality military equipment. The DAGOR is a small off-road vehicle designed to transport infantry. Despite its small size, the vehicle is ideal for transporting from one location to the other in a troop transport chopper. The DAGOR is capable of transporting up to 9 passengers. Developers would like to give emphasis to the vehicle's weight-to-payload ratio. The vehicle's overall weight is only under 4 tons, and it can pull a capacity of up to 3 tons. The weight of the cargo on board might reach 1,800 kilograms. The manufacturer emphasizes the vehicle's exceptional mobility and ability to move through challenging terrain. The POLARIS DAGOR is ideal for getting soldiers to dangerous areas fast and efficiently. Next is the Caliber Mark IV and T7L3 Harris. This quality ensures a high level of safety for those who put their lives on the line. Every single day is a priority whenever it is disclosed to the operations of intelligence services. The machines we are looking at right now are ideal for this job. The Caliber Mark IV and T7L3 Harris are capable of entering areas that are too risky for humans to enter. Canadian specialists from iCore Technology also worked on the Caliber. The T7 robots, on the other hand, were developed by engineers from the American company. L3 Harris, on the other hand, operates similar tasks. First and foremost, they work with automobiles. The robotic platform can lift, tow, break windows, puncture tires, and open the trunk. In other terms, they have the ability to neutralize any threat. The Caliber Mark IV is capable of removing an explosive out from inside and transporting it to a safe area. If this isn't achievable, the T7L3 Harris is called in. Not only does the device broadcast video to the operator, but it could also conduct rudimentary manipulations. This permits professionals to detonate the bomb that has been planted inside the vehicle. Because the robots are small and can move over rough terrain, they can reach locations that are tough to reach. This is ENVG-B goggle. Working hours for elite military formations are not standard. They may be required to complete activities at any time of day, even at night, when ensuring sufficient security is more challenging. For these scenarios, the ENVG-B goggles are ideal. They come with the most up-to-date light amplification technology, allowing you to see well even in low-light situations. Furthermore, the thermal channel recognizes persons by their heat. Both pictures can be placed on top of each other to achieve near-perfect visibility. Triton 850. Military land transport has already been discussed. Now we will discuss an aquatic vehicle. Straight Group, a Canadian engineering company, developed the Triton 850. This spacecraft is good for patrolling and may be utilized for a number of tasks. A defense system, a climbing ladder, a thermographic camera, a filming camera, and a wireless messaging service may all be added to the system if necessary. For anti-piracy or tactical operations, the firm provides a variety of options. There can be up to 10 persons on board. The ship's top speed is 100 kilometers per hour, and it has 2 engines with a combined output of 500 horsepower. Next is quantum stealth. For many years, humanity has imagined invisibility cloaks and outfits. Although it is too soon to speak of genuinely thorough invisibility technology, there have already been achievements in this sector. Quantum stealth is from Hyperstealth, a Canadian company. The rules of physics were used to develop this virtually translucent substance, not magic. You're gazing at a paper-thin, lightweight material that functions according to Snell's law. We're not going to overwhelm you with the technicalities. Let's just say the substance has a unique way of refracting light. Only items that are utterly close or very far distant may be seen by the person gazing through them. This effectively renders the thing in the center invisible. We must highlight that it does not fully vanish. Nonetheless, quantum stealth distorts the surroundings to the point where it may be utilized to create police shields, for example. The last and most remarkable military creation is the multi-mission railgun. What we'll present to you is a futuristic weapon. A few years ago, General Atomics, an American company, completed the assembly and screening of a multi-purpose small railgun. It will be employed by the Navy in the future. Engineers are proposing a variety of adjustments to remove objectives, regardless of complexity. This railgun's regular variant has a 10 megajoule power and launches kinetic metal bullets. Hypersonic kinetic projectiles are used in the version that attacks marine and land targets, while exploding projectiles containing tungsten balls are used in the version that attacks land targets. When it comes to removing aerodynamic and ballistic threats from the air, this variant is more cost-effective than the standard one. Finally, we'll go through the operation of a railgun. It's a projectile launching weapon that employs electromagnetic forces. It has a further range and a faster acceleration rate. Smaller projectiles are easier to store. They're really less destructive than stator projectiles, allowing the vessel to last longer. Quit being sluggish because it's time to put your intellect to work. Welcome to Technology Zone, where you'll find fascinating information from the past, present, and the future. From the grandeur of nature to wild creatures and amazing truths. Subscribe today and you will never be disappointed.